Hello everybody! In this video we show how you can use the TV speaker together with a Bluetooth speaker at the same time on WebOS6. You can add one Bluetooth speaker to function as an extra surround speaker. Or you can add a Bluetooth headphone, so one person in the room can also hear the TV via the headphone. To do this, first press the settings button on your Magic Remote. Then go to all settings. Go to the sound menu, sound out, and select use multiple speakers. Then we go here to the Bluetooth speaker setup. In this case we select connect one speaker. The TV searches for nearby Bluetooth devices. Here we can select the speaker and now it is connected with the TV. Here we can select if the speaker should function as a front speaker or rear speaker. Now the TV will automatically adjust the volume and delay between the TV speaker and the Bluetooth speaker. The microphone on your Magic Remote must be able to pick up the beep sounds coming from the speakers. You can also do manual tuning if you want to adjust the Bluetooth speaker volume or the audio delay. Now the sound output is set to Bluetooth device plus TV speaker. If we now start a video, the sound will come from both the TV speaker and the Bluetooth speaker. If we change the volume via the Magic Remote, we change the volume from both the TV speaker and the Bluetooth speaker. We can also change the volume on the Bluetooth speaker separately, or we can change the Bluetooth speaker volume via the settings menu. When you connected a Bluetooth headphone, go back to the settings menu and set the playback option on simultaneous sound out. Then the person with the headphone will hear the same sound as coming from the TV speaker. If you want to unpair the Bluetooth speaker, select the connected device and select Delete Device. This is how you can use the TV speaker together with a Bluetooth speaker at the same time. For more help, contact your local LG help desk.